Okay, time to take a look at the VEVOR roller chair. Okay, so that's nice. It's already mostly assembled. Already got the casters on. Stick the piston on. It's a nice looking seat. Okay. There we go. That's pretty cool. So I really like having this spot right down here because I can put all my, well, they say put all your tools on here, but usually when I'm taking things apart, I just got a bunch of bolts and things that I don't want laying on the floor. So whatever bolts and little miscellaneous things, I can just set it around here, and that way I don't have to worry about losing it. It's got this lip right here. There's no hole, so I don't have to worry about anything falling through it. So this is an ideal spot for working on your car, especially low profile. But it's also adjustable with this little lever. There we go. So now we got a max height of about, I'm gonna say about 22 inches after you push this cushion down. So yeah, for working on anything down low, stools like this, they save your back. If you're doing DIY stuff, this is the best way to do brake changes or anything like that. So something like this can really make your job a lot easier. So nice basic chair, and I also just like that it's got that swivel function on it. So if you're moving around quite a bit, this is gonna be able to work with you. So that's always nice. And plus just having the casters on the bottom so you can kind of scoot yourself around wherever you gotta be. So yeah, overall, that is a very cool chair.